Okay, question number 18. What are they saying? Approximately what percent of Utah's wildlife habitat is either herbaceous or evergreen? He's asking, this is what percent of the total? That's what he's asking. So what is 37 plus 17? 54. If someone calculated the total, can someone quickly tell me the total sum? What is the total for Utah? You must have it on your textbook already. You have solved this question. What is the total for Utah? How much? Very good. And how is the total for Oregon? Okay, I think that's okay. So go ahead and do the calculation now. What is 54 divided by 228 times 100? 23.68. So what's your answer? B as a boy, right? Everybody got it, Amma? Those who missed 15, everybody got that? Now let's move on to 16. 16. Yeah. Which state has the highest proportion? There you go. Now you have no choice. Yeah. Come on. Tell me the total for Oregon, please. All of you, calculate each one separately, please. So let's do parallel processing. Someone calculate for California, other one calculator for Nevada, and someone else calculate for Oregon. What is the Oregon? 161 point. Okay, how about Nevada? Anyone? Nevada and California, please. 140. Okay, how about Nevada? How much, Amma? Is that right, everyone? 502.5. Okay, now do the proportion. He's asking which proportion, right? If you look at the question, which state has the highest proportion of its wildlife habitat classified as a barren land? Wildlife. Barren land, this one. Correct? So now do the proportion. 16 divided by 149.8, what do you get? Point. Okay, and then how about for Nevada? 44 divided by 502.5. How much? Okay, that's Nevada. And how about for Oregon? 2.9 divided by 161.1. 0.0. Okay, that's good enough. And then how about for Utah? How much? Point? So there you go. So which means this is highest than this, correct? So what's your answer? Utah. Everybody got that, Amma? Okay, now let's go to 17. Okay. An ecologist projects that 15% of Oregon's herbaceous habitat. So calculate the 15% of that. What do you multiply 7.2 with in order to calculate 15%? 0.15. Tell me. How much? 1.08. Okay. Will be transformed into a shrubby habitat over the next. What is the existing shrubby habitat? 125. Add the total, please. 126.08. But then this data is in what? 100,000. So if you multiply that by 100,000, what do you get? 12608 and then 30. So if you round it to the million, that is how much? 12.6 million. Everybody got that? 17C, everyone? Should I explain it one more time? 17. Did everybody get it? Everyone got that? Okay. Now let's go to 18. Online students is 17, okay, Amma? 18. So currently, California, so a developer bought 3%, which is 3% of California's public barren lands. So in California, what is the amount of public barren lands? 1,600,000. Got that, everyone? The data is in 100,000 summa. You see that? Even though it is 16, you need to make sure you account for that 100,000. So 3% of 1,600,000 he acquired. That is the total acres he acquired. But then how much he paid per acre? $350. Isn't that how you calculate amount of money he paid for all those acres? And then what happened? The value of the land increased by 750%. If something increases by 10%, what do you multiply original by? If something increases by, let's say, 25%, what do you multiply original by? 1.25. That means 100% is 1 plus 25% increase is 0.25. 1 plus 0.25 is 1.25, correct? Now it is 750%. That means 100% is 1, which is 1. 750% is, what is the decimal? 7.5. 1 plus 7.5? 8.5. You multiply that by 8.5. He is asking how much would the land sell today? He wants the final price, not just the profit. Is that clear, everyone? So what do you get? How much, Amma? So there you go. Is everybody clear how I am getting these numbers, Amma? How did I get that? %. And how did I get this one? Barren land, 1,600,000. And how did I get this one? The price per acre he paid. And how did I get 8.5? Increase of how much percent? 750%. Got that? So not only, again, if anyone is confused, the current value is not only the 100% of this, but plus 750%, correct? The total is 850% in decimal, 8.5. Got that? Decimal is 8.5, which is why I got this. Everybody got that, Amma?